Hi, we are the quizzing team, and today we're going to be doing a demo of the quizzing functionality in Expertisa for our project. Right now you are looking at an assignment view, so this is where quizzing starts. The professor will set up options for quizzing, such as allowing an assignment to have quizzes and specifying the number of quiz questions for an assignment. So now we'll take you over to the student side so you can see the create quiz functionality. Okay, so we'll navigate to the correct assignment where we have an assignment set up for the demo. And this student will access your work to create a quiz. So we're logged in as user 2, and as you can see, they have a create quiz link which they can click to create a quiz. For each quiz, you can specify the name of the quiz. And as you can see, this quiz has 4 questions, which the professor specified when creating the assignment. And for each question, you can select the question type, and the form will dynamically be created. So for question 1, we'll select radio, question 2, checkboxes, question 3, true, false, and question 4, essay. And then we'll go fill out all the other options. Selecting the radio button for a radio button question specifies the correct answer. So as you can see, the first answer is the correct answer. Selecting checkboxes specifies which options are correct. So options 1 and 3 are correct for question number 2. For true-false questions, we simply select whether the correct answer is true or false. And for essays, these questions are graded by instructors and TAs. So we don't specify a correct answer. And we create the quiz. The quiz has been created. If you scroll down, you can see that there's 2 links, the view quiz link. This allows you to see a view of what the quiz taker will be shown, as well as it tells you the type and the weight of each question, as well as shows you the hints for each question. There was also an option to edit a quiz. So let's say we want to edit question 1 to say question 1 edited. And we can save that, and that'll be updated in the database. And when somebody takes this quiz, we'll see that edited version of the quiz. Okay, so now we'll log into Expertisa as a different user. We are now logged in as username 10. And username 10 will take the quiz that we just created. So we'll select the assignment. Can access the quizzing feature. They'll select the quiz link. And so as we can see, there is a view link at the top. So username 10 has actually already taken a quiz previously. So they have the option to view this quiz, which they already took. And right now they have a 50 on it, but it says some essay questions in this quiz have not yet been graded by the professor. So they have 2 of the 4 questions correct. So now we'll go back and let user name 10 select and take a quiz. and we'll begin the quiz. So a user, as you can see, does not have the option to take a quiz which they've already taken, and users also won't be displayed quizzes which they created. So we'll take the quiz now to get the results. The user is submitting the quiz. As we can see, username 10 didn't do so well. They got question number 1 wrong. They got question number 2 right, question number 3 wrong, and question number 4 has yet to be graded. And again, you can see that they are notified that there's an essay question which has not been graded by the professor. So they got 2 questions wrong and 1 question not graded, so their score is only 25%. So now we'll go over to the instructor view and allow the instructor to grade the essay question for username 10. So now we are on the instructor grade essays view, and as we can see, the first entry is the essay question of username 10. So we're going to give username 10 some points for their answer, and then we're going to submit the grade. So that grade is submitted, and later once we log back in as username 10, we'll be able to see that their score was updated. We also will access the instructor view quiz questions page. So questions are created by students during a specific assignment. So we can go to the manage page and we can find the demo assignment that we created. And then we can just hover over the view quiz questions page icon. And this will take us to the view quiz questions page. And this will allow instructors to see all quiz questions created by students during that specific assignment. They'll be given the correct answer, the answer options, the type of question, and the ID of the question, and who created the question, and the question text. So they have the option of viewing this in case they find a good question and want to use it somewhere else. So now we are on the instructor's view for grade essays. We're going to give username 10 some points for their essay question, and we're going to submit that grade. Now we'll log back in as username 10, access the assignment, and access the quiz. We'll view their quiz once again, and their score has gone up because the professor has now graded their essay question from a 25% to a 50%, and they are no longer being notified that essay questions have yet to be graded for this assignment. And that concludes our presentation of the quizzing functionality for Project E907.